Welcome to Gokarna, also known as Rishikesh of Karnataka. People come here for two things. First of all, for the temples, and the second thing to enjoy over here is the chill beaches and the good vibes. Gokarna is just a vibe. If you are coming for an escape or just to find peace in the beauty of stillness, then it can't get much better than Gokarna. It's for the laid back lovers and for the lovers who lays back. Compared to Goa, Gokarna's crowd is relatively less.
Well, good morning from Gokarna. Today we are going to Yana caves, which is like around 50 kilometers away from the main city, the place we are staying. And the ride is really very good. So we have started trekking again to Yana caves. Trust me, this place is very beautiful. You have never seen this place ever in your life, and I'm going to show you that right now. It's a bit of trekking, and then there's some steps going towards it. And also be careful, there are a lot of monkeys here. They may take your stuff. One monkey is over here with me.
What's up, bro?
Hello there.
You chilling?
As I was saying, this is the place, the Yana caves. So beautiful, man. Beauty. Such a beauty. Let's go more near. Let's see how's it.
Really?
Yeah, there's a temple over here, and then you can go more inside also. You can go inside the caves. Get lost. So you have to remove the shoes. So this is the entry point. It's hot, it's hot. Come left. Yeah. So the temple is over there. By the way, to enter any temple you need to wear a lungi. Then only they allow you to go inside. And there are around 200 steps going forward. Wow. So good. Seriously, it's worth coming over here. It's worth coming over here and watching this. Photo shoot time, but there are a lot of people coming. So that was a good photo session. You can follow me on Instagram. So basically this is the end of the caves, I guess. आराम से जाओ, नीचे ये पकड़ के. This stone is right at the edge. There are three reasons why we are removing the shoes. Firstly, because it's a very religious place, and secondly, because they don't want people to just do time pass over here. But there are small stones over here, which is not a problem at all. You can easily walk through this place. And thirdly, maybe to keep it clean, because till now the full cave was spick and span. So Yana cave is done. Now it's Vibhuti Waterfalls, which is again like half an hour, not half an hour, 45 minutes, huh? 45 minutes far from this place. So we are going to Vibhuti Waterfall. Let's see how it is.
They're having picnic here?
Yeah, people are having the picnic here. You can chill. Wow, look at this. Interesting way. Very interesting way. Like a proper jungle. I'm not joking you. I can hear insects, weird things are coming. I can hear the sound of the water gushing. It's very loud though. No? So let's continue. Let's not fall. Don't do this. Don't do this. So let's go.
Well, Vibhuti waterfall looks beautiful and elegant from far, but the current from the hills are very strong. It's worth coming here and admiring the beautiful waterfall. You can swim near the fall, but certain areas it's very deep. There is a dedicated lifeguard and a life jacket over there.